what I think makes us unique is a couple of things. I think we are a kind of a middleweight fighter, if you will, that can fight in the heavyweight class. And I think what really distinguishes us from our competition is our engineering depth. We bring a lot of engineering depth to the relationship. We've got a lot of financial flexibility as a privately owned company, and we are truly global.
Our work enables that technology company to sell effectively and to delight their customers. So everything we do is about customer satisfaction and flawless execution. We've helped customers get out of their garage into their first site, to manage that piece, and to have multi-$100 million exits.
Every member of the team is here to help. We do our best to ensure that things go smoothly, but when they don't, we get involved to help get them back on track. We offer a whole list of comprehensive services, including chamber stamps, certificates of origin, any additional paperwork that may be needed.
We start in our core values with integrity, right? So honesty matters, transparency matters in our business, so that everything, when we say we're going to do something, we do it. We manage those expectations so that we can, at the end of our core values, starts with integrity, ends with flawless execution. And then as we look inside of our business and go back to our core values of integrity, we matter, right? Because companies aren't things, they're people. And the importance of our business is our people. The people that start at the tip of our spear, our sales, our business development and FAE teams, to the design solution teams, to the manufacturing engineering team, to the integrators, they all care about what they do. And we're deliberate in how we hire and the people that come into our company, because if they don't care, we won't be successful.